That distinctive grille, two-tone paint job, and a bed made for some serious hauling. Today, in the Model Car Vault, we're looking at the Maisto 120 scale 79 Ford F150. But is it built Ford tough? Let's find out. The 1979 Ford F150 is a classic pickup truck known for its ruggedness, reliability, and vintage charm. Part of the sixth generation from 73 to 79, this F-150 helped cement the F-Series as America's best-selling vehicle line. This particular model was called the F-150 Ranger, which was the upper trim level. So this model comes from Maisto and comes in a few variations and colors. I'm not much of a pickup truck guy, so it's pretty rare for me to add something like this to my collection. But Maisto makes these models really affordable, and it's my birth year, so I couldn't resist. There's a link in the description where you can order one too. In this review, we'll dive into its functionality, build quality, and details. But is this F-150 from Maisto really built Ford tough, or does it miss the mark? We'll find out if it lives up to the Ford promise. Let's get into it. When it comes to functionality, it's always a pleasure to see everything work. Maisto's F-150 definitely delivers on that front. The doors open and close with a spring action, so they really snap back. The hood opens, the steering kinda works. Oh, but check it out, a working suspension. I love that. And there's a fully functional tailgate, which clips in place so it won't open by itself. Let's move on to build quality. The car measures 10 3/4 inches long, 3 3/4 inches high, and 4 inches wide. On my scale, it weighs in at 1.66 pounds. Looking at the paint job, yeah, it's got that classic two-tone look, but what surprised me was that Maisto went with a metallic finish. That looks great, though I'm curious if metallic was an option back then. Let me know in the comments if you know anything about that. In general though, it feels like a solid build, more than you'd expect for this price point. Hey, if you love model cars and trucks and enjoy these reviews, hit that like button and subscribe. Now, let's get into the details. Ford's iconic grille is big, bold, and fully chromed, done really well with the Ford name stamped just above it. The license plate is on straight, which isn't always the case with model cars. The headlights and indicator lights look authentic, but on the sides though, the side markers are just painted on. Not as detailed, but not a deal breaker. The wheels are classic Ford from that era, the kind you'd also see on Broncos. There's no lettering on the tires, but they do have a nice rubbery feel, and the chrome rims look sharp. Some smaller details stand out too. It's got chrome wipers, chrome mirrors, and there's a silver trim around the doors that adds to that vintage vibe. At the back, you've got the Ford lettering on the tailgate, rear lights, chrome bumper, Ford plate, a trailer hitch, and chrome tip dual mufflers. Under the hood, Maisto did an adequate job. The mold appears to be a single piece with some detailing, but it's predominantly black, aside from the blue air intake component. There's not much else to highlight here. Underneath, you've got some basic detail, but the dual chrome exhaust is what stands out the most here. But look at this. Interestingly, the scale underneath is written 120, but on the box it says 118. Not sure how I feel about that. What about you? Comment if this would bother you or not. Taking a look inside, everything is there, but it's pretty basic. There's no color or extra detailing. Back in the day, the dash would have matched the exterior color or had some wood trim, but here it's just all black. It would have been nice if they added a little bit of detail, like some chrome window cranks to break it up. Here's my vault verdict. Overall, holding this model in hand, it really feels like a solidly built truck. For the price, Maisto did a great job making this truck feel Ford tough, or at least Maisto tough. They really focused on the exterior with that awesome paint and nice suspension, though the interior and the engine details are a bit simpler. Maisto, in general, is geared toward entry-level collectors, offering models with the best value for what you get. Their mentality might be, hey, if you're a kid at this price, it's okay to play with it too. That's not to say it feels cheap. I mean, this model is solid and well crafted, but They strike a great balance between affordability and quality. If you're into collecting diecast trucks or classic American vehicles, I definitely recommend saving a spot on your shelf for this F-150. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. And while you're here, check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching the Model Car Vault.